right, so you'll see an example of a fishbone stitch here. Here is a satin stitch where the middle is a little bit messy. I want to walk you through how I got the fishbone. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to come down a piece. And then what we're going to do to fill that middle is you're going to go back and forth, side to side. So let's pick the next spot. And what we're going to do is cross over to the other, just slightly over to the other side of the middle line. And then we're going to come back up again and do the same thing in the opposite direction. Okay. So we're just going to keep going. And that is how a fishbone looks down through the middle. It's it's a very nice braid looking, clean look. But again, this is compared to a satin stitch that might leave you, if you're not crossing over both line, crossing over the middle line leaves you some open areas, but you can always go back over it with a back stitch. Hope that helps.